Vito, thanks so much.
Another top story tonight: fraud, waste, and abuse. The Carter County Mayor says those three things are what prompted an investigation into the county animal shelter.
That's right. Mayor Leon Humphrey said he called the state comptroller's office to open the investigation. Since it began, the community volunteer program has since stopped, and some of those volunteers are not happy about it.
And they're speaking to Curtis McLeod tonight, who joins us with what prompted all of this and where things stand now.
Now, this started with a county investigation. The mayor says the problems were so bad he had to get the state involved. His first plan of action, making sure the animals were all safe and suspending the community volunteer program. Those volunteers are calling foul on the mayor's action tonight, telling me their work at the shelter is unmatched. Becky Nidofer and Brittany Madden know the sounds inside the Elizabeth and Carter County Animal Shelter all too well.
I was a volunteer for about 3 years.
And Becky had been there for a little over a year. But with the state investigation underway at the animal shelter, County Mayor Leon Humphrey ended the volunteer program. He says the decision was made after an initial investigation done by the county in July uncovered a long list of potential wrongdoings at the shelter.
There was, in my opinion, many cases of fraud, waste, and abuse.
The mayor says the findings of the county investigation gave him no choice but to ask the state comptroller's office to step in. In response to the comptroller's findings on the shelter investigation, the mayor says complaints were initiated by constituents.
That investigation is currently ongoing, and it centers around a lot of the volunteer staff that was at the shelter at the time. As a result, I have ceased all volunteer operations at the shelter at this time.
The animals are not in harm's way here. All of our animals here are healthy. They are our number one top priority here. The welfare of these animals are our number one goal.
Current director Shannon Posada was not working at the shelter when the investigation started, but says there are practices that have been put in place to ensure the animal safety. Meanwhile, volunteers like Becky Nidofer and Brittany Madden will have to wait until the investigation is over before the mayor will consider allowing volunteers at the shelter again. Curtis McLeod, News Channel 11, in your corner.
The animal shelter investigation is just one of the items listed in an audit by the Tennessee Comptroller's Office. News Channel 11 obtained the report, which identified 10 problems in Carter County's government records back in 2015. Those findings include issues with accounting records for funds the state said were not properly maintained for the offices of the county mayor, director of schools, and highway superintendent, as well as the finance director. The audit also cited discrepancies with the office of circuit and general sessions court clerk, as well as the assessor of property.
An investigation